Join us on a weekend trip to Arran. We got the train to Ardrossan to meet my parents at Ardrossan Harbour, where we got the ferry to Brodick. Our return ticket for a foot passenger is £8.40, but my parents also had their car, which was £34.20 return. When we arrived in Brodick, it was far too early to check in, so we drove to Lochranza to play pitch and putt, and we paid £8 per person for this. On our way back to Brodick, we stopped for a wee picnic in Corrie, enjoying the fantastic weather. After our picnic, we had to hurry a little to pick up our pizza on time. Generally, I'd recommend to pre-book all restaurants and even takeaways. For our pizza, which was a takeaway, we booked a time slot and this worked out perfectly. From past experiences, islands can be very busy, and yes, even getting a takeaway can become difficult if you haven't pre-booked anything. We also booked a table at Arran Botanical Drinks, and what can I say, the cocktails were fantastic. After a few drinks, we got to the hotel, and yes, this is my professional room tour. The room was massive and even bigger than our studio. The room was extremely clean, and you could see that a lot of thought was put in. It's just the small things that make a hotel room feel homely, like the Arran soap and shampoo and the local biscuits. I won't say the price here, as this was a present for my parents, and I know that they'll be watching the video, but I'll put a link in the description below. This was our first day on Arran. If you'd like a detailed breakdown of the cost, then you can have a look at my blog, which I'll link below. I will publish an article about our Arran trip on Sunday. Thanks for watching the video, and if you've enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe for more budget travel and Scotland videos, and I'll hopefully see you in part 2 next week. Bye!